Hey y'all, Kenny Banks of Southern Boys Outdoors. I wanted to go over a little open box today with y'all on the RAPTORAZOR. Awesome knife set, the filet kit. Show y'all what's in the inside, what you get exactly. So bend this camera down a little bit, open a box up. Check that out, guys. There's your handle right there. And that handle actually comes apart and goes around the blades. And then you got a all-purpose blade. You got a 6-inch filet blade, 8-inch filet blade. You got a bone saw right there and a sharpener rod. Sharpener rod with a handle, and you have all the little Phillips bits and stuff like that. Hey guys, this knife, you can find it for $124 on our website at southernboysoutdoors.com. Y'all check it out, southernboysoutdoors.com. Awesome knife set.